Okay, we are heading out to pick up my friend and then to go get this mystery tattoo. So if you don't know, there's this trend going around where shops will get like an old toy machine and they will put the little plastic balls, they'll put tattoo designs in the balls that you can't see, and they'll put them in the machine and they'll say like at mine, it's these tattoos are worth $80 to $250, but you only pay $80. But the catch is, it's a mystery tattoo. You don't know what you're getting until you pull it out of the machine. So I thought that's pretty cool. And so I'm about to get a tattoo today that I don't know what it is, and it's gonna be great. Depending on what it is, it depends on where we're going to put it. But I think I'm gonna put it like right above my ankle on my leg that I wanna have a leg sleeve. So, or do you still call it a sleeve? Do you call it a pant? Cause like a sleeve's your arm, so I'm getting a pant. Anyway, so yes, we're going to pick up my friend and then we are going to head over and do that. I wonder what oh, they're blacked out too. Oh, it's purple. It's my favorite color. Maybe. Good lord.
Yeah, they're tough.
These were meant not to be getting into. There we go. Alright, let's see. Oh, it's a little dragon. That's cute.
Awesome.
Alright, I'm going to take my bandage off now because it's been the allotted time and now I have to wash it. Ew. I'm a bleeder. Oh, it's probably gonna hurt. Ugh. Yeah, that's nasty. It's very pink. So here's what she looking like. Very bloody, very bloody. Okay, I just washed it off and I just used like lukewarm water and like pretty much Dial soap that's like fragrance free, like all that stuff. So let me show you what it looks like now. Ta-da! It's still red, still a little bloody, but you know.